Hi guys, back here with my friend John, and we're gonna read a book that hopefully he learns a lesson from. I don't think he will though. It's called No Honking Allowed by Stephanie Calmenson and illustrated by Antonietta Fiari. And it's really kind of cool because there's two dinosaurs driving a car. Is that funny? And they're honking the horns.
You kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding you. Alright, no honking allowed. Come for a ride in my dino car. I like to go fast, I like to go far. Well, buckle our seatbelts. That's for safety, you know. Click, we're all set. Now we can go. That's the two dinosaurs driving a car.
Uh-oh.
Dinosaurs can't drive cars.
Don't dare.
Don't dare. I love the sound my new car makes. Vroom goes the engine, screech goes the brakes. Honk.
There you go.
Oh, that's my horn. It's as loud as can be. Honk, honk, honk. It's perfect for me.
Do it again.
Oh. Wreck, the sign says, no honking. Except for safety. Look at that driver speeding to town. Can I honk to remind her she better slow down?
Hold on.
Should he honk?
No.
No? But she needs to slow down.
Thank you.
You gonna honk? Okay, no honking allowed.
Uh-oh.
Surprise, I see somebody I know.
Memo.
I'll honk my horn and wave hello. No honking allowed. There's another sign. There he is, the sign that says no honking.
Don't dare.
You ready? That dog walker's leash is all twisted up. I'll honk so he'll know to untangle his pup. Oh, don't honk. The dog will go wild.
Don't dare.
Oh, I forgot to show the picture of that one again. So there he is with the dog tangled up. Look at the dog. Look at the dog.
Thank you.
He's all tangled up.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yep. See that cute buggy with the kids passing by? I'll make them happy when I honk to say hi. Don't honk, you'll scare them.
Boo.
That boombox blasting makes me frown.
Flying.
I'll honk and I'll holler. Turn it down. Oh, no honking, no hollering.
More time.
Whoa. He does need to turn down the boombox though.
Bam.
A dino littering, that's really bad. I'll honk and tell him it makes me mad. No honking allowed. Listen, sirens, woo, woo, woo.
Higher.
A fire truck's coming, it's gotta get through.
You kidding me?
Oh, that's what he says, see? Fire truck's coming right behind him. Do you think we should honk?
No, thank you.
Nobody's moving, the streets are a mess. I've got to honk now. Stego, please tell me yes. Yes. Well, there they are stuck, and the fire truck's coming.
Help.
They need to get out of the way.
Help.
Oh, I can't turn it. Maybe I can turn it. There, I can turn it. Honk. One honk didn't help, and the truck's getting near. I must honk again, loud and clear. Oh, go for it, Rex. So there he is. He's trying to get people out of the way from the fire truck. Oh, yes, help. Look at that page.
Go. Honky.
Honk, 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 honk. All kinds of honks.
Honk.
Wee woo, wee woo, wee woo.
Feel.
Yep. There's the fire truck. Finally getting through because of all the honking.
You kidding me?
Oh, I'm not kidding. They got through.
Got told you. Uh-oh.
Sorry, no honking allowed. The fire truck made it. I helped clear the way. Can I honk for happy? What do you say? No honking's allowed.
Don't dare.
Don't dare. Rex honking for safety. That is the rule. For anything else, it just isn't cool. Don't worry, Stego. Take a good look. We're make-believe dinos, and we're in a book. Okay, you get one more honk. Honk.
Honky.
See? They're just make-believe dinos. One more? No. Please? All right, one. Honk, honk, honk. That was 3, Rex. You're losing control. Who, me? No way.
Yeah.
Are you losing control?
No.
Yeah, you are. Honk, 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 honk. Honk, 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 honk. I think you're losing control. Rex? We had fun, Dino Buddy. You helped the fire truck go. Will you help me pay the ticket? Huh? Please? Well, okay, look. See, John? You honk too much. Please come and get you.
Don't do.
Look, he's getting a ticket.
Hello.
Yep, he's getting a ticket.
Hello.
Not good.
Hello.
Are you going to help him pay it?
Yeah, me.
You are?
Yeah. Oh. Uh-oh.
I'll honk to that. No honking allowed.
Don't do.
And there he is. He's all excited and no honking allowed.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What do you say about that book?
Yeah.
Are you going to stop honking? Are you ever going to stop honking? Are you? Let it know. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed the book. I don't think John learned his lesson from it. We'll be back sometime soon with another friend and another book. See you guys soon.
Thank you.